Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as you see by that huge red box on the table, we're going to take a look at something really cool from Kershaw. So stay tuned after we roll the intro, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about what came in that box. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to take one moment right in the beginning and say thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know you got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I am very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, take a look right down here. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, hover over it, click on it, whatever. It's going to bring up subscribe. You're going to want to knock that out the way early because, man, we're seriously growing. We're having a lot of fun, and I want you along for the ride. Alrighty, guys, as you know, we're going to take a look. Oops. Hey, try to be cool and look what happens. There we go. At the Kershaw Cryo II. Now, it is a Rick Hinderer design, and in case you're wondering, this was the third budget blade by Poor Man's Preparing. Now, usually we're showing you the blades in the PMP prep box unboxing videos. And if you're kind of curious about that, take a look right up there. You're going to see a card for every single PMP prep box we've ever brought to the channel. There's some amazing gear in there. You might want to take a look at those. But for this month, Jason didn't send it along with the prep box. He mailed it separately. That's totally cool. We got the blade. I like it. Now, as I've stalled for a little bit of time, we have brought the original Cryo to the channel before, and this one is about 20% bigger than that Cryo. And if you're curious about the Cryo, take a look right up there. You're going to see a card for every single affordable everyday carry blades we've ever brought to the channel. The Cryo will be sitting right in there. Alright, let's go through the stats and have our fun. Overall, it's got a length of 7.75 inches. The blade is 3.25, and closed it's 4.375. It's got a weight to it of about 5.5 ounces. It is done in what they call the drop point style, hollow grind, plain edge. Okay, now this is what kills me. Everything on this blade is coated in a matte gray titanium carbonitride finish. Everything from the blade to the frame itself. Even though I saw on one part, I think it was on Blade HQ, they called that a bead blast finish, and I'm like, no, it matches, the handle perfectly. Look at that. That frame lock just seriously snaps right in there. Okay, the blade steel is 8CR13 MOV, and as you can see, it has a reversible, basically 4-position pocket clip, so you can carry it left hand, right hand, tip up, tip down, whatever you choose to do. Now, as you saw by my really bad opening, it is opening with a flipper, and it has the speed safe spring assisted opening. It has a stainless steel frame with a frame lock that, as you can see, sits in there beautifully, and a wonderful little lanyard hole right there. In case you're wondering, yeah, she is made in China. No big deal. I did like the little bit of aggressive jimping up here, and I really wouldn't recommend trying to use those as thumb studs. Just stay with the flipper. Alright, now let's have some of the fun that we usually do here on the channel. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the channel, we usually do 3 cut tests. We do heavy-duty stock paper, paracord, and ratchet strap. So let's get to it. Okay, let's see if we can't. I just keep pulling. Oh, well, there we go. Okay, I'll take that. That's what I always try to do by going slow and going across. The way I was taught is anybody can take a blade and go, yep, sharp, yep, sharp. But if you can run it slow across without it tearing the paper or really putting any of those wonderful little, paper burns on there or the paper burrs, then your blade really, really is sharp. Alright, let's now go to just normal paracord. Alright, pull test. No problem. Slice test. Burned right through it. Anyone want to bet it's going to be the same thing with our friend Mr. Ratchet Strap? There we go. Okay. Oh, hey, let's take a look. Yeah, we got some fuzzies on the blade, but that's okay. A little bit of the Ratchet Strap. Okay, so I found it over on Amazon, Kershaw, and Blade HQ. Like I said, I got mine in the 3rd budget blade box from Poor Man's Preparing, so it only ran me, I think, $30 total after shipping. Over on Amazon, this is going to run you $37.19. Kershaw, for some reason, $72.75 for this one right here. And on Blade HQ, $34.99. It hasn't been reviewed on Blade HQ. It's been reviewed 45 times on Kershaw for a 5 out of 5, and 887 times on Amazon for a 4.4 out of 5. But here's the most important part, okay? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. I would love to know if you also think, is it nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? You know, do you have a Cryo II? Have you used the Cryo II? Do you like them? I mean, heck, do you even like Kershaw blades? Leave all that fun stuff right down below, because I'd love to know what you think of this one. Honestly, I like it. The only thing I really haven't truly liked, what I've been carrying, is the pocket clip. That seems to just snag on my chair whenever I'm getting up. For some reason, that little bit right there always seems to just grab. But let's go ahead and kill the wrap up, all right? For you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Like I said in the beginning, I'm very flattered you viewed it because your time is your most precious commodity, and I'm very grateful you're sharing some of it with me. Now, for you first-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it as well, look right down here. Yeah, over here. There's going to be a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and done that, please destroy the bell icon. Why? Great question. Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time that this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we are, guys. My really quick tabletop look at the Kershaw Cryo II. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.